Welcome to Poor Man Luxury. My name is Rob, and today we have a special unboxing. It's my birthday unboxing of a Coach District Crossbody bag. So without further ado, let's get into it. Check it out, even the stuff wants to come out already. And here it is. This thing's pretty large too. Okay, like I said, this is the Coach District Crossbody. So, so as you can tell, this is the Coach Crossbody of the District bag. And the cool thing about this, for one, it's got a guitar strap, but it's undetachable. In other words, it's attached. So, but that's not a bad thing. That's a cool thing. And it's resizable, so you can size it to your dimensions of how you want it. And the cool thing is that the top part here is a top enclosure and pebbled leather. It has a traditional canvas. And it has a front flap that you can see. So it has a front flap and it has a back flap, and the interior is fabric. Okay, and this is a really cool bag. I couldn't wait to get this bag. I had to have it. And they sure know how to stuff it, don't they? Okay. So on the inside here is really cool. So you got the pockets on the inside here, and you have a zippered flap pocket, so you can put anything you want in there. It's very close to the Sprint mat bag, but I believe this is a little bit bigger, and it's just way more awesome, just because you can put so much in here. In the main compartment, you have nice big pockets. Perfect bag. This is probably going to be my new daily driver. And the cool thing is I'm going to grab my tablet, and this is one of the reasons why I got this, is because this is my Samsung tablet. This is my Samsung tablet, and I can just put it in there with great ease and have lots of space for everything else that I need. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving from my Coach Rowan file bag into the Coach District Crossbody. And we're going to show you all the things that I have in this bag. First and foremost, the first thing we're going to put in is my tablet. And then I have a vape here that I can put in the front, which is cool. Put in my vape. And I just gotta open this. This is a really nice bag, by the way. So if you guys ever come across this bag, I highly suggest getting it. It holds a lot. So we're gonna have my earbuds. So we're just gonna put the earbuds right up here inside the bag. And then of course my Samsung flip phone. Another earbud. A power supply. A power supply brick. And then I can put my credit card's ID in the front. And my Hermes lip balm in the front. Oh, and I have another power supply in case of another one breaks out. And that is pretty much it. And so if you look at it, look how much this thing can hold. Got my phone, power brick, another power brick, my tablet, and then you have another whole set of other areas that you can put stuff in. This thing holds a lot. And chances are this is going to be my daily driver, just because I can put so much in it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and feel free to comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.